Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter service mode on Samsung Bespoke AI washing machines. So first of all we are gonna close the door, then turn the machine on, switch to the drain and spin, then go to the lay end. We have to turn the dial until next stage disappears. Then we have to turn the dial when the next stage disappears. Then we have to turn the dial 17 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Then hold the start push button until you see a yes on the screen. And there we go. To let the machine go service mode by itself, you have to hold the start button. And if you want to do manual service mode, you have to press the rinse button. So I want to do the spin only. So yeah, it will ramp up to 1400. As you can see, 1 is door lock, 2 is drain, 3 is fill, 0 is fill, 6 is Ecobubble and tumbling. Seven is drain and 8 is spin without drain, and it's gonna show the motor torque on the screen. Ten is the door unlock. Then we're gonna back to AS. To cancel service mode, you have to turn the machine off and turn the machine back on. Then we're back on normal cycle, and that's it. Thanks for watching.